Hello guys, grade 9 students, how are you? I miss you a lot. Guys, today I'm gonna be with you in my third lesson to talk about present perfect. Guys, present perfect, as you know that it's too long, that's why I'm gonna explain in two lessons for you. The first lesson, which is today, I'm just gonna talk about the form of present perfect and the rules of past participle. In the second video, I'm going to talk about the use of present perfect and how do we use frequency adverbs with the past perfect. Sorry, with the present perfect. Okay, guys, let's start. Present perfect form. Let's see one of the example. I have written all the homework. I have written all the homework. Guys, I have written. What's I? Subject. Then after subject I have. It auxiliary. Subject have or has plus past participle. Let's see what are they. Subject. Subject, it means the person who does the action or the people who do the action. We can use pronoun such as I, we, you, they, he, she, and it, or a name or names. Name or names. Plus, have and has. What are they? They are helping verb, auxiliary, helping verb. Plus past participle. We have two types of verb for past participle. Some of them they are regular. Such it means, what does it mean? I'm gonna explain in the last slide for you in detail for the regular verbs. I'm just gonna add ed. I'm just gonna add ed. But irregular verbs, for the irregular verbs, there are, I think you have already memorized a verb list. We have to memorize it, and you have already memorized it. For example, sing, sang, read, read, go, been, or gone. Guys, we memorized, I think, yeah, we have many quizzes about it. We had many quizzes about it. Guys, let's go to the form. The first one, I'm going to talk about the affirmative. The affirmative, I have again the subject, but if the subject is I, you, we, they, I'm gonna use have. I, you, we, they, and plus don't forget names. For example, Ahmed and Ali, Danny and Abdul Razak. If they are two, I'm gonna use have with it. I have worked or you have written. But for the third person singular, I'm gonna use has. He, she, it, or Ahmed alone, or Hiba alone, Fatima alone, Jihan alone. He has worked. Jihan has written. Okay, guys. Note. Contracted form for them, it's very easy. We are just gonna add apostrophe and ve, but we have to pronounce like that. I've worked, you've worked, they've worked. Just they have, they've, we have, we've worked. Okay, she's worked, he's worked, it is worked, I've worked. Okay, we have two, just apostrophe and ve. Apostrophe and ve. Okay, what about the negative form? The negative form, very easy. Just insert, add not between have or has and past participle. I have not worked. You have not worked. He has not worked. Has not. Okay? For the contracting them, we have to contract. two types of contracting. The first one, we are just gonna use contract not, which is haven't. I haven't. I haven't worked. You haven't worked. He hasn't worked. Guys, I'm gonna advise you to use this way of contracting. The second one, which I have it, but don't use it. Yeah, and it's true. It's not wrong, but we don't use it often. I've not. You have not. We've not. He's not worked. Okay? It means that we have to use apostrophe plus ve and not worked. Okay, guys, let's go to the second slide. Let's talk about the question form interrogative. The question form, we are just gonna change the place of auxiliary verb and the subject. Instead of saying I have worked, I'm gonna say have I worked? Have you worked? Has he worked? Just have or has at the beginning with a capital letter. Subject, past participle, and question mark. And question mark. Guys, in my last point, I'm going to talk about past participle form. I told you we have two types of verb for past participle form, regular and irregular. For the regular one, I'm going to explain the rules. I'm sure that you all know, just for reminding, okay? The first, number one, for most regular verbs, I'm just going to add ed. I am just going to add ed. For example, walk, walked, clean, cleaned. But if I have silent e at the end of the verb, I'm just gonna add d. Just gonna add d. Die, died. Close, closed. Closed. Just d. Why? Because if you see here, I have e. It is silent e. I should just add d. What about the third one? If the regular verbs ending in consonant, you know the consonant and vowel. If it is consonant and y, I am going to change y to I and add ed. Hurry, look at this, hurry. Before y I have consonant. Then I'm gonna change y to I, then ed. Try, tried. What about if I have vowel before y? I'm just gonna write ed. Don't touch it. Play, played. Stay, stayed. Ed. Like the regular verbs at the beginning, the first rule. Number 5, regular verbs with one syllable. Ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, double the consonant. Look at this example. Travel. Look at the, where is the mouse? Look at here. L, consonant, E, vowel, consonant. It means consonant, vowel, consonant. Just double it and ed. Stop. T-O-P. T, consonant, vowel, consonant, double P and ed. Guys, thanks for listening. Today, that's enough for today. Inshallah, next lesson I'm gonna talk about the use of present perfect and the rule and using adverbs. Thanks for listening. Bye.